What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today is a very special day because we are finally working on the BRZ again. Now in the last video you guys saw me install some C-West fenders, and off camera I did get to installing some C-West fender garnishes and a Sabon carbon fiber hood. I didn't make this into a separate video along with the fender garnishes. I did do a TikTok with the install with the fender garnishes because I thought that was more necessary, and it's a very easy install. I highly recommend you guys get these because these are functional air vents when you get the C-West fender. And as far as the carbon fiber hood, that is also functional, obviously, because it is vented. As far as weight, it weighs the same as the stock hood. But today, we are going to be installing a C-West rear diffuser on the 2013 BRZ. Now, you might not know this, but on the BRZ, I have a 2017 GT86 rear bumper. And yes, only for the GT86s, they made them different. So that means for every rear diffuser or rear valence that you get for the GT86 will be different from the FRS and the BRZ. That's what I had to do. I had to order a GT86 rear diffuser for this car. Now, I want to give a special shout out to Yoas JDM Parts on Instagram. He actually specializes in importing and exporting goods to and from Japan. He not only can help you get parts, he can also help you get your own car. If you guys want any parts for your car and you're on the California side or in Las Vegas or even Washington, he can help you source any of your JDM goods, whether if it's bumpers, wheels, seats, etc. He can help you out. Link in the description below to hit him up. Really easy guy to work with. I highly recommend. And for a little side note, you probably noticed right behind me, the 2017 BRZ that used to be turboed is on jack stands. And yes, I said used to be turboed because it is now all the way back to stock. And I am parting the car out. At the time of filming this video, the turbo kit is still available. So if you want to pick up the turbo kit, hit me up on my Instagram. I'll help you out there. But the reason why I'm selling this car is because the replacement for the LS3 BRZ is coming in very soon, and I can't really afford 3 cars, so it was either getting rid of the 2013 BRZ or the 2017 BRZ. So my plan with this one is to sell it to Carvana or maybe Marketplace or something. We'll see. But right now it is getting fixed. I bricked the ECU, unfortunately, when I was putting on the stock tune. So that might be for a separate video on how to prevent you bricking your ECU when you're transferring tunes, but that's for a different day. So with that being said, let's install the rear diffuser on the BRZ. So first thing I did was cleaning off the rear bumper to make sure it's nice and clean. I did have Modelista rear spats on the car previously, so you might see like a little bit of a line there. Car is wrapped, and from the exhaust heat and the Las Vegas sun, there is a very small line. There's 2 different shades of silver. This diffuser, you can get them pre-paint matched from Japan. This is painted in the G1U silver, and this obviously being a wrap, it's not gonna match perfectly. So it is gonna match a little bit differently. So I just wanna get that out of the way. So first thing I'm gonna do is clean off the bumper and trying to get all this adhesive off as best I can, and we're gonna get to installing the diffuser. So I went ahead and already unboxed it. There's a cat. Hey, how's it going? This is our neighborhood cat. We don't know who's the owner of this cat. What's up? No. We'll leave him alone. I'm really excited to get this thing on the car. And you can also get this diffuser in carbon fiber or half carbon fiber. I think that's a little bit overkill, so I just went with a normal FRP. And FRP is really cool because watch this flex. Look at all that flex. That's something you want on a car, especially a car that you modify and you're very low to the ground. Wow. And also in the package, we also got this. This is all your hardware and obviously the toe caps. I'm just gonna tease myself real quick. I wanna see what it looks like on the car. So at the moment, the way the diffuser sits right now, I can leave it the way it is with no hardware and whatnot, just like my front lip. The front lip, you don't have to keep the hardware on it because the fitment is so tight and so well kept on these bumpers that you don't really need the 3M tape and the hardware. So I could leave it the way it is, but if I'm gonna be taking this car to the track, I do wanna have some sense of security on the diffuser. So we are gonna be ending up drilling the rear bumper. I might have to take off the exhaust. They do want you to drill on the top of where the exhaust sits, so you guys are gonna have to follow along and see how we're gonna install this. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna take off the exhaust and then put the diffuser back on to see where the mounting holes are. To take off the exhaust, I'm just gonna be taking off the hangers. I'm gonna be using this tool right here. I'll have a link to this in the description as well. I used this in the past for my exhaust installs. It makes taking off hangers so much easier. It's not an affiliate link, so don't be obligated to buy it, but I highly recommend this. I'll have a link in the description below as well. So right there is where I'm gonna have to do the mark for the mounting point. And there's another mounting point right there. All right, so I just took the hangers off of the exhaust so I can make the mounting points with a Sharpie. And I just noticed on my mid-pipe, not sure if you guys can see that, there is a missing bolt. We're gonna have to tackle that. But as a side note, I do have a very rare, I don't know if they're discontinuing it, but I have a very rare single exit JDL exhaust that does need some fabrication work. I might, you know what? I might just put this exhaust on the car and take it to the fabrication shop because I have been procrastinating getting that exhaust fixed for the longest time. So we might just do that. Might as well because the exhaust is basically off already, especially with a bolt missing, so. Okay, so we're probably gonna leave this to a separate video, but here is the JDL single exit exhaust. Obviously, there is a ton of damage right here, so we're gonna have to get that fixed for tomorrow. But for now, this is how the diffuser looks. I am super stoked with how this turned out. I just can't wait for this thing to be one shade of paint. But yeah, this is all the hardware that you get. You get all these bolts and fasteners, and as well as some adhesive promotion. What up, dude?
Nothing.
You know what they say? Drill once, measure twice. Okay, so it is currently midnight and I just got the JDL single exit on and of course the C-West diffuser. And I gotta say guys, first impressions with this thing, this makes the ass look so much better, especially with the SARD wing. It just gives it that nice contour look on the side and really shows the body lines of this car. Like I said, this is painted and then this is wrap. So obviously the silvers aren't gonna match. I am so stoked with how this turned out. It makes it look so good, especially with the C-West side skirts and the fenders. It is all really just flowing together really well. Eventually I would like a C-West rear spoiler, but that thing is like $3,000 before shipping. But it's a super sick swan neck and it's reinforced on the trunk. C-West makes a kit for the wing that will like give you reinforcement on the trunk so it doesn't flex. But with the Sabon trunk, I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. But overall guys, I'm super happy with it. If you guys want, I'll have a link in the description below to Yoas Auto Parts on Instagram, and especially the C-West link to their Japanese website. Like I said guys, it's not sponsored. I just really want to help out Yoas as he helped me out with the BRZ. So with that guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully we'll have the car in one color. What is up? What are you doing, bud? What is up, dude? It's on my car. Oh, you're so cute. I gotta end the video. Can you get out of my garage so I can end the video? Wanna get down now? Come on. I don't care if you scratch, I gotta paint it anyways.